Prime Minister defends government's handling of a cockpit country. Farmers urged to follow new guidelines in fighting cocoa plant disease. And more relief coming for the poor amidst an increase in poverty levels.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day, sports commentary and e-prime as well as weather. But before the break, the feedback question. We're asking tonight, to what extent has the country grown as an independent nation? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.